Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today you find me here at Robertsbridge, and I'm here at the Rother Valley Railway. So they have finally got Robertsbridge station open. So they've got various different associations and stalls inside that we'll take a look at. We'll take a look at the progress that they've made, considering the last time I was here was for the 50th anniversary gala, and the place was just a shell of what it is now. They've done an amazing job. So I'll take you around and see the station building, and they've also got the Hastings unit here running as a 6-car set going down the short end of the line, obviously until they extend it all the way to Tenterden. So yeah, it's going to be a really good day. I'll show you all the updates, show you the Hastings unit thrashing up and down the line. So yeah, join me, so I'll take you around on Robertsbridge open day. So yeah guys, there is Robertsbridge station on the main line. Like I say, we have the new station here now fully open. So of course obviously the goal is that they will extend from Bodium and go through up to here. So the Kent East Sussex Railway will be extended. So obviously I'll just show you inside the new station building. Yeah, there's a really good turnout here today. It's a really good turnout. So there's a lot of stalls here. So obviously you've got the Hasting Diesel Unit, stall with attendants selling various bits. That's okay. And of course, we've got all a bit of information here, all about the branch line here at Tenterden and Rother Valley Railway. Certainly have done wonders in here, considering the last time we were here was for the 50th anniversary gala, Kent East Sussex. This was just a shell of a building. They've really done themselves proud. Shows you the work that they're doing. So the section for the junction roads at Hastings Bridge, track laying. This is of course reconnecting the main line. And then of course we've got the Rother Valley Railway's turntable project, which of course is now fully underway. say, it was really, really nice seeing the Hastings Diesel Unit thrash down the line. And obviously, like I say, this is eventually going to become a reality where you'll be able to go here from Robertsbridge all the way down through to Tenterden. It's a pipe dream, but obviously it's well underway. See, we're already here, the station's open. It was a shell when we originally first came here for the 50th anniversary gala, and now look at it. Work is really underway. The volunteers should be proud of themselves. But yeah, the Hastings unit here is just a bonus, and I think that it goes at around 5:30, so we will be here to see that connect up to the main line, and then obviously it will disperse onwards, and we'll just get some shots of the Hastings unit, soak up the atmosphere here at the Robertsbridge station open day. Just thought I'd quickly show you this map here as well, that sort of realistically highlights what the end goal here would be. So you start up there at the top of Tenterden, and then we will follow it all the way round through to Rother, Bodium. Then of course the goal will then be to get through to Robertsbridge, and then you will be able to connect up on the main line and either go down to Hastings or go down to London, which means there will be a mainline connection here to the Kent East Sussex Railway. So yeah, one to look out for in the future. And of course you've got this various rolling stock here still at the station. You've got this ex-Southern Railway gangway bogie luggage van that's just parked up here. And of course you've got the old watering tower that's here as well. And you've got these old Fifes Bananas vans as well. Just adds that little bit of authenticity to this soon to be Heritage Railway. So yeah guys, you've just seen the POV of the Hastings unit come down here to the end of the line at Robertsbridge. You can see where the line terminates at the back here, and of course in the future the goal will be to carry on all the way through here down to Tenton and join the rest of the Kent East Sussex Railway. We have just asked the guard very nicely, and he's going to allow us to go into the engine room. So I'm just going to quickly show you some pure English electric power. So yeah guys, that's in my trip here to the Rother Valley Railway's Robertsbridge station open day. Really hope you've enjoyed that. Something different for the channel, getting to see a brand new station finally open. Literally speaking, not physically. Of course they need to completely extend the line all the way down to Bodium, and then services can commence. I believe they're looking at an aim of around 2028. But yeah, really good day. Nice, great big turnout for them. I believe they turned around and said there's over 2,000 people in attendance here today. And obviously they had the press here yesterday, having the Hastings unit thump up and down that short stretch of the line. It's been a really good day. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. Don't forget to give us a like, comment down below and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.